Hello, this is Johnny B. Bad, 6661 John FK page again. I'm fucking real. Put in my put in an application at one of the employers. Then got the response. Then they wanted me to take this questionnaire, like pre-interview questionnaire, like personality questions and shit. I think it's pretty fucked up any damn way. Doesn't really show your working abilities. Anyway, like a questionnaire about customer service. Took 30 minutes of my fucking time. Like personality questions and shit. Fucking assholes. I don't like that shit. And I took the test and I went over here to the line, the pantry line. Just go stand in that to get some food for the house here. At least microwavable, canned and microwavable food. See if there's anybody handing out dishwashing detergent too in these food lines, because I'm running out. How can you keep your dishes clean if you want to eat? If you eat, how can you keep your dishes clean? Need something to keep your dishes clean too. So I missed out on that one. I got in the back of the line. I was in front. I was in back of the person that drew the last number for the pantry. And they told me, hang on, there might be some stuff left over. But then again, as the line got down and down and down, you don't have enough. This is the last of the line right here, where this guy's got the ticket number in his hand. I didn't have a ticket number in my hand, so had to get out of the line. Till we come back, not next Tuesday, not next Wednesday, next Wednesday, but the following Wednesday. First and third Wednesday of every month. Which I think is pretty fucked up. Personality question fucked me out of that. Up anyway.
In the past hour or so. And we have some showers trying to reach into, say, Jamaica Bay, into southern parts of Brooklyn.
Anyway.
Sprinkled there over Staten Island. Definitely more
let me try and get undressed, get relaxed. Got a doctor's appointment tomorrow. Anyway. Have a fucked up one. Hope I get a job soon.